In this video, I'm going to show you how to link elements in your Canva website. So I have this page, which is a part of my website, and I want to link this element specifically, which is a button that says Learn and Fix on YouTube. So I wanted to make it so when they click on it, it goes to the YouTube channel. So to do this, just click on the element and then right click, or click on these three dots right here, and then click on link. And that will allow you to link this element and make it go somewhere when a person clicks on it. So you're gonna have a drop down here, which includes pages in your document, but I don't want any pages here. I want to actually include a link. So this is going to be the drop down that you'll see. Wait, let me just open that again. All right, there we go. So over here it says enter a link or search. So I'm gonna just enter the YouTube channel link over here. You can copy it from your actual YouTube channel, like over here. I'm just going to click here and then copy, and then go back and then paste it over here, and then click on done, and that's it. So now when you click done and you test this out, you can click on preview and then test this out. So let's go to learn. And now, as you can see, the cursor changes, and when I click on this, it goes to my or the YouTube channel. And that's it. That's how you can link elements in your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.